So we are now coming all the way across. We can see that there's green chains right here. So you'll notice is that we have to add that to the end of this so that we have a builder so that we can make those 4 single crochets along the chain work here. So we need to add the chain first before we can continue to finish that. So you'll need a spare piece of yarn that is the same color, and we'll be adding it to the end and then adding the number of chains that you see. To add the extra chain, you're just going to create a slip knot with a separate strand, and you can leave those strands on the inside of your pillows. And what you need to do is that you need to attach it here, just right underneath, and you're going to do that with a slip stitch. And then we need to add 4 because that's what it stated. So depending on the letter, could it be 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5, or whatever. So just 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what you need to do in order to get this to fasten off is that you just got to pull the loop through on the 5th one, and therefore that one will be gone, and I'm going to leave this tail on the inside of the pillow. So it's attached firmly on the way that we did it, and it's attached firmly here, so you can just tuck it inside. So therefore we can come across and finish this one right here, and we just need to add the 4. So keep an eye on the count. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that would be how you would do that to add in those extra pieces when there is no chain that exists to work with. Let's move on in this tutorial series, and let's show you how to start when you have an increase at the beginning or ending of a row.